There are two brand new tools available only in Norman Security Suite 8 Pro. These are Privacy Tools and Intrusion Guard. Let us look at Intrusion Guard. Intrusion Guard is a host-based intrusion prevention system, a so-called HIPS, intended for experienced users. Inexperienced users should keep the product configured to its recommended settings, which for most events is to allow and log events. Only events that have a high risk and are rarely used by legit applications are blocked by default. To view or modify the recommended settings, you can click Customize Settings from the main window or access settings from the menu on the left-hand side. The first configuration options are related to drivers and physical memory access. For regular users, we strongly recommend keeping the recommended settings, which will allow regular driver installation, deny applications physical access to memory, and preventing applications to load and execute system drivers without installing them first. Possible configuration options are Prompt, Allow, and Deny. Under the Processes tab, you can configure options related to processes, such as auto run, service installation, and in the network, you can configure options related to Internet Explorer plugins, layered service providers, and the hosts file. Remember, you can always get more detailed explanation of the options by accessing the help file from the top right corner of the window. Let us go back to the Intrusion Guard's main window. Normal Intrusion Guard also comes with an advanced system reporter. This is an expert tool that can help you identify spyware, adware, rootkits, and other unwanted software that have intruded on your system. When you click Advanced System Reporter, Normal Intrusion Guard does an analysis of your system before it brings up the Advanced System Reporter window. The Advanced System Reporter tool will inform you of your computer's security level based on the analysis performed at launch of the application. You'll also see if the software detects hidden processes, injected DLLs, and so on. You can access a view of operating system internals, which in addition to the previous mentioned also show you hidden processes, drivers, suspicious registry entries, and so on. You can inspect settings for Internet Explorer, and you can access detailed process information. Let us have a brief look inside the application. Under Operating System Internals, we'll see if there are any hidden processes detected by the system. We'll see if there are any suspicious registry entries, if there are installed filters or so-called LSPs. These green ones are recognized as well-known good LSPs and SSDTs. If there are any injected DLLs, or if there's detected any hidden drivers in the system. If you want to know more about any of these features, there's always an option in the bottom right corner for more information on the page you're on. So for instance, if you wonder what a hidden driver is, you can click this and read a little about it. For the Internet Explorer settings, we can view settings, plugins installed in Internet Explorer, and we can view existing cookies. We can also delete them. From the process information, we see auto start entries. So these are programs that will automatically start when you start the system. The green ones are well-known Norman services. The other ones here are not well-known by Norman. You can view services installed by the system. And you can view other applications currently running. Now all these green ones are recommended as well-known good applications. Let me click Close, and we'll be back in the Intrusion Guard's main window.